Hi, I'm going to show you how to use our Vergo construction request for information tracking template. Here under RFI ID, you can change or keep the ID number shown. Under description, you can add the description of the RFI submitting, and you can choose the scope here. If it's site conditions, blueprint design, maybe contract specifications, you can modify this to your liking as well by clicking the edit button here. You can change the colors, you can change the name, and you can add or remove any items here as well. Once you've done that, make sure to click Done and Apply to All. This way it applies to all the different drop downs that we have. And once done, click on X next to Data Validation Rules. Here you can add any images of the description or to match the description of the RFI you're submitting. You would add the date submitted here and who submitted the RFI. You can also modify this by clicking the edit button and change the names, add, remove, or even change the colors. Once that is completed, please make sure to always check on done and X out on next to data validations. You can also record if it was cost impacted and timeline impacted by choosing from the drop-down menu from yes and no. And you can add the estimated response date here according to the date submitted. You would add the response description here and the response date recorded here. You can also record the person that responded to the RFI, and you would record here if it was cost change approved, yes or no, and also timeline changed approved, yes or no. Again, if you'd like to modify this to your liking, you can do so by clicking the edit button and changing the colors if you like, or if you'd like a different wording, you can do that as well. Always make sure to click done and click on the X next to data validation rules. If you have run out of space and need more drop downs, you can simply click on a cell, click on the blue dot, and drag it as far as you need it, and the menu will be there. And that's how to use our construction RFI tracking with Vergo.